Now, my solution that I have is this. Don't only look at half the performance story. Half of the performance story is basically a profit and loss statement. Include also all the non-financial performance indicators. And the way I group them today is that as I say, there are indicators for your strategy, non-financial. Do you reach a certain milestone? You set milestones. Concrete, product launches in the market, but then also business excellence, your failure rates, your returns, efficiency of your production line. And then what is called ESG, I prefer to call it stakeholder risk, because these are actually risk metrics. ESG also has a role there. And then you can extend your performance story from just the profit to a much broader performance picture. The reason why profit is such a problem is that quite a few of the costs that you deduct are actually partly an investment into the future. So when you look at profits, it's not clean. It is not just this period. Production costs and administration costs is probably, really just that period. But other costs that are deducted could be investments. And by representing those investments on the right side of the graph, you have a much broader performance story.